We're live in this bitch.
We live in this bitch. We
And
getting that ready to go.
road to Goon Gear, baby. Yeah.
Two times on the Two times on the
What up, YouTube? We're out here in Michigan at a little resort called Knob for the Goon Gear Jam tomorrow. Got here earlier today, and it is absolutely nuking. Been filming a bunch for the boys. It's a little tow rope park. Not a whole lot going on. Let's fucking go!
Oh my god! Oh my god! Yeah! Big 14, you know what the fuck going on?
Is it a one shower situation?
Hold up, take a moment, count my guap, count my guap. All these rags bumming in, they bumming in. Hold up, hey, count my guap, count my guap. Can I stop coming in, coming in? Put up in a drop top, she dropped it. I put up in a drop top, she dropped it. My diamonds dancing high skies, they hold it. My diamonds dancing high skies, they hold it. Yeah, hold up. I don't know what planet.
It's like machine gun fire, dude.
Damn. On board. Little smoke effect on the video, dude.
Get a little more height going.
Backflip.
A big boost.
Look at